Are you able to hear my voice? Okay, I'm sharing the screen. Anyway, I think we will be able to sort it out in the next session. I think there are some problems with the this thing. Okay, now in any case, just to give you brief about GPTs, are you able to? I am sharing the screen. Hope you are able to see the screen. Okay. Okay, great. So, thank you once again. I'm excited to take inputs, provide inputs on overall generative AI. Let us take it now. Chai GPT. You see the popularity of GPT. Now it has become Chai GPT also. Now go to now today. This prompt engineering has become so important that meetings, any interviews in future, people will be asking the one question: Do you know prompt engineering? Because that is where your productivity will go up tremendously. So now, I hope you are aware that all these open AI platforms, generative AIs, you can write codes. I myself have tried several applications, creating applications using ChatGPT. So you can create ChatGPT, Gemini, any other application. So now, over a period of time, the engineering totally is changing. Now, the process of engineering, everywhere, engineers are going to be now totally depend upon AI. It has to be. It is going to be part and parcel of our lives in future. So now, see this. See the AI engineers. They were spending a lot of time. See how it whole process took place. Initially, it's a very tiresome, arduous task. You have to train ChatGPT or any AI with a lot of effort. It's like building muscles. Now, once it is come to some threshold level, it becomes very easy. It is just prompt engineering. AI engineers now, you see that chatbots, you can create chatbots immediately. See how the global market is going to increase. A global market is going to increase tremendously in size in millions of dollars. So it is 18, it is going to be more than $1 trillion size by 2030. And it is going to be much more. People are saying that it is going to be much more than 18 trillion dollars across the world because the usage is going to be so high. See, these are the various tools, new AI tools, several thousands of them. It is like internet. They are actually exploding like anything. They are like earlier when internet has come, there used to be few sites. Now you see how the it is exploding. It is exploding thousands of sites. How it is coming artificial intelligence? Start with let us understand what is artificial intelligence. It is similar to you have human intelligence, you have dog intelligence, you have cow intelligence. Every person has got certain intelligence level. So artificial intelligence is nothing but in parallel with human intelligence. We are able to machines, we are able to make machines work like humans. They can do a lot of things. Natural language processing, and that is understanding the language, visual perception, reading the images. Then you can create robots, you can create programming automatically, and you can create knowledge presentation, expert system, speech recognition. When it comes to machine learning, it is subset of artificial intelligence. Intelligence consists of machine learning, neural network, and deep learning. Then similarly, neural network is they work similar to the brain functioning, and deep learning. Deep learning is this is similar to ChatGPT and all. They have all deep research. It is total deep research. It is more computer oriented machine learning, neural network, deep learning. I will focus only on artificial intelligence maximum. Coming back to what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT has several models. I'm sure that you must have started using, some of you must be using. We will do the actual trial and then you will come to know some of them. See, there are several problems. And see, for example, if you want to create graphic design, there is Canva, there is Subtitles, Blink, there is Digital Store, Gumroad. These are all AI solutions. So you can now today, when it comes to any thought, you can create something and you can work on that on your own. You don't need to. It is like artificial intelligence is like an expert at your hand. An expert consultant is with you. An expert technician is with you. An expert engineer is with you, who is able to guide and take you forward. That is how actually chart. I hope now you are able to understand and start posting things. You have any questions, start asking questions, start saying, is it working or not? Are you comfortable going through? See, you can convert videos, you can text, you can manipulate text, you can create images, you can design coding, audio, video, everything. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. See how artificial intelligence works. Let us understand that. You define a problem, you have a problem, you want need some help. For example, you need session planning. You simply see, don't on your own, never. Now you start depending upon AI automatically. You ask whatever work you are doing daily, you schedule your work, you ask all the questions, help. This in the chat GPT or Gemini, any this thing. A lot of tools are there. I'll continue to post a lot of tools, hundreds of the most popular tools I will be posting, how which will be more useful, more helpful for your daily works. So you start posting the questions, and I will be going to give you a lot of inputs with regard to this thing. So your problem definition, then after that data, it goes the desired outcome that is required. It is all coming as part of. You are not looking at all these aspects. It comes as a prompt engineering. Now you need not. This is the earlier aspect. What it is being done, data collection and preparation. For example, you need data analysis of support training data of the people. How you can analyze that data? That I will show you some examples of how to analyze that data. Then we will see some examples of each and every aspect of this working. Then we can see one of the predictions. People say that now AI, artificial intelligence, is going to overtake entire human intelligence. It is like if you are using today chat GPT, it is like using few lakhs of people using their brains together. That means including the artists, consultants, computer specialists, so many people together. That means if you are against chat GPT is equivalent to a lakh of consultants, a lakh of educated experts, and you are the only one. That means it is up to you how much output you can take from chat GPT, or for example any AI. So you have to understand that already many people say, I don't know how many people are aware. There is Jeffrey Hinton. He is known as Godfather of artificial intelligence. He has won the Nobel Prize in physics. He claims that artificial intelligence may be at some time in future may overtake humans, and they may kill. They may like to. They are. He feels that they are sensitive, they have emotions, they have conscious. You see this Jeffrey Hinton. You can see, I will post his video. You can have a look at it. It is very interesting and it is fearful also. You know what is going to happen. That means that is the power of AI. AI potential is huge. That is phenomenal. So now I will post a lot of these things in your this thing. Let us not go to the presentation. What we will do is we will show some experiments. We will see how it can be utilized, how I am using it, so that you can understand. Are you okay? Are you able to understand it so far? How is it going so far? Please post your replies. How is it going so far? Would you like to know any questions? I have asked you to post questions also. So good, good, good. That's wonderful. I'm excited to see that you people are okay. AI role in education. So some questions, some gentleman has posed the AI role in education. Sir, as you go forward, AI will overtake all teachers. So there is no need of teacher teaching. I don't know, today itself, Google Studio, you can actually, if anybody is interested to learn something, they can simply go into any, suppose today you have some parts to be well, you want, suppose AI, you want to teach some student will not be depending upon teachers or professors in future, I am telling you, because now itself in IITs people are not willing to attend the classes. You know the reason? They say that I know better. There are actually, I can go to chat GPT and I can learn myself. So that means education is going to transform itself phenomenally. It is radically, it is going to transform. Even for the student language learning, there are tools, AI tools, which for language learning. There are tools for learning even engineering courses. There are tools, anything you tell, you, it can be learnt on this thing. We will experiment on this. Whatever you people are teaching, we will experiment on this. We will create lesson plans. We will create guides, faculty guides. We'll create quiz for the students as we go forward. So instructional design, you just simply, now I am just, you are asking a question. Okay, teach designs and design software. You are asking, I am just going to Google chat GPT. I am opening, suppose for example, Gemini. I open Gemini. Are you able to see the Gemini now? Yeah, now I go to Flash. See, I am asking a simple question. How it helps to teach design? Does AI help in teaching design, designs and design software? Always ask questions. Always ask questions. How to go on this step by step? See, I asked a simple question. Does AI help in teaching design? The same question. Yes. You see, it is true that AI is significantly impacting the teaching and learning of design and design software. Here is a breakdown how AI is being utilized, how to approach integrating it into education. One is personalized learning. AI can analyze a student's progress and tailor lessons into their individual needs. This allows customized learning. So, if generative AI tools allow students to explore design concept new ways. By inputting text prompts, they can generate images and patterns and even 3D models. This fosters experimentation, helps students break through in creative blocks. Automated tasks. It can automate repetitive tasks. Suppose image manipulation, background removal, color correction. It can totally conceptual aspects of design. This automation will increase. You see that accessibility, step by step approach. How do I approach this step by step? Understand the tools. Adobe Creative Suite, which tools are you using? You have to ask, suppose design means, what do you mean by design? Which design are you asking about? Design software, in the sense it is taking design software as Adobe Creative Suite, generative AI tools like Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, Delhi. I hope you are aware Midjourney can create wonderful videos, wonderful images. We will create some videos and images and show you. I am showing you some videos to understand how it looks. I am going through some videos. I'll share you some videos.
तो सबसे पहले लूंगा फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पर मैं 7 पीस तो सबसे पहले लूंगा फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पर मैं 7 पीस 547 ट्रांजिस्टर, जो कि फ्रेंड्स एक एनपीएन ट्रांजिस्टर है। और देखिए इसकी पिन नंबर 1 कलेक्टर है, दूसरे नंबर की बेस और तीसरे नंबर की एमीटर। तो अब देखिए इन सातों ट्रांजिस्टरों के एमीटर को मैं एक वायर के ऊपर इस तरीके से कनेक्ट कर लेता हूँ, जैसा कि आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं। तो ये रहा एक वायर का टुकड़ा और इसके ऊपर मुझे इनको कनेक्ट करना है।
Are you able to see the video?
तो जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं फ्रेंड्स, कुछ इस तरीके से हमने ये कनेक्ट कर लिए हैं सारे के सारे ट्रांजिस्टर। और आप देखिए इनके जो कलेक्टर है यानी कि जो फर्स्ट नंबर वाली पिन है, इनके ऊपर जोड़ेंगे हम एलईडी। तो एलईडी सबके ऊपर नहीं जुड़ेगी, यहाँ पर नीचे से तीसरे नंबर के ट्रांजिस्टर और ये जो नीचे वाला ट्रांजिस्टर है, इनके ऊपर
See this one similar like these videos, it is being a manual mode. It can be generated by automatically. It can be generated by automatically. So I am just going out of this. I will share you some videos which have been.
तो सबसे ऊपर मैं जोड़ूंगा ग्रीन वाली एलईडी। अब सेकंड नंबर वाले
I am going to show some videos. What is the power of video? See, I am going to share how it can be generated videos. See, these videos have been created using AI. So, can you understand the power of this thing? Are you able to? Are you able to understand the power? See, one more video I will share with you. Just only these are samples. What can be done? All these are created using AI. So now I hope you understand the power of AI. With regard to design tools, somebody was asking me how to design tools. See, this is the I have asked this question. You have to be very specific what you can do. How do I learn tool design using AI application? See, designing physical tools like those used in manufacturing, designing digital look like software application and user play. AI is making waves in both areas. Those slightly different ways. Here is a program. See, basic CAD come under everybody should be aware of it. Okay. So designing tool software, there are AI applications that are available that can help in power AI powered design tools like UI Jet and Figma are using AI to generate UI designs for text prompts, and from text prompts you can just use text prompts to design. I will tell you some examples how you can help. Can free tool I am going to share one thing. Notebook LM. Let us understand that how Notebook LM is being used. Yes, you can implement in CAD CAM. You can implement in CAD CAM software also, but we there are tools we need to understand. That's what I'm saying. That is what we are going to teach. See, whatever question you are having, no, just post it, put it in your prompt. See, go on. I am going to take a detailed session on prompt engineering, how to do prompt engineering, how to ask prompts, and how to ensure you get the right answers. Your response. First and foremost thing is you need to understand how to ask the question. It is like a human being. Understand that artificial intelligence is an expert or an intern provided to you to help. He is an expert, and experts a combination of more than 10,000 experts together. So you have to, how will you give support? Can I implement? For example, you asked a question, Mr. Akshay Nag has asked, can we implement AI in CAD software? See, I am asking the question has to be asked like this. I am going to ask you. You are that is a role play which we call role play. So you are giving Gemini. You are an expert in CAD CAM with 20 years of experience. Okay, 20 years of experience and a master trainer in CAD CAM. Please help me. Please teach me CAD step by step. CAD CAM design software. CAD CAM design software. Please help me CAD design, CAD software, step by step. How to go ahead in learning. See, I asked simple question. See, you have to be very, very detailed. Context is very important. When you are asking any question, no, the context is very important. It will give you when you give a good context, when you ask the right question, then it will give you a proper this thing. See, it's choosing fundamentals interface step by step. It has given you details. You just see foundations and interface familiar. Choosing your software. For general mechanical design, I recommend starting with either Fusion 360, excellent for beginners, cloud-based integrated CAD CAM, SolidWorks. If you are in the architecture field, AutoCAD, revisit Revit would be starting point. For this training, I will explain you general principles that are applicable to most CAD software. See, interface exploration, layout, spend time familiarizing yourself with the interface, understand the ribbon, toolbars, viewports, and command line, navigation, coordination system, basic 2D sketching, lines and shapes, constraints, and 3D modeling. Suppose if you give me one software, suppose what software you people are using, you see it gives in detailed how phase 3, how to the key learning strategy, practice regularly, follow tutorials. Important, each software is own specific workflows. Focus on understanding underlying principles of rather than memorizing. Do not be afraid to experiment and let me know if you are ready to move to the next phase. So you tell me which software are you using. It will ask, it will, you can go on asking the questions on that software. You ask whatever you want, you can get the answers. You ask contextually, right questions, and you can get each and every answer. You can create a quiz. For example, you want to create a quiz. I will take you now. I am going to another screen. You can create a quiz, lesson plan, everything very easily. See, now I am sharing my screen on NotebookLM. It's a wonderful tool. It is free of cost. It's a free of cost, wonderful tool. See how we can use that tool. This is fantastic. Your whatever work you people are doing, you can simply change it. See, this is known as NotebookLM.google.com. Note down this. I will share you all these details. You can do wonders with this. You create one. For example, let us create one. Here you create, add all your sources, textbooks, add choose files, all PDF files, textbooks you add, or you have YouTube links also you add. You have websites, suppose CAD CAM software, you add everything. I will show you some examples of this. We will work on that. If you share me some information on your text, whoever is interested to learn more, you share me your text, your all your YouTube links, then video links, then I will start posting it. For example, I have gone through generative AI. This thing I have posted simple, for example, for you to people to see. This is generative AI. I added several sources. I have added YouTube. So please prepare a lesson plan. I am just asking, Deko, please prepare. Simple. I am asking, please prepare lesson plan for the introductory section. For GTTC faculty on AI introductory section. I'll put it AI introductory section for a period of 1 hour for all our engineers, all audience are engineers. See what it gives within one stroke. It gives introductory session, lesson plan, detailed lesson plan. It will give. Then after that, you can ask, can you provide me a quiz? So how do I go ahead about, suppose if you want to create a poll, how do I go? See, this is the lesson plan. Beautiful lesson plan. It has created title, Introduction to Artificial Audience, GTTC faculty members, duration 1 hour, objective to provide fundamental understanding of artificial intelligence, to explore potential applications in AI teaching, introduce agenda, introduction, what is artificial intelligence, and key concepts, machine learning, deep learning, AI education, applications and benefit. What is the benefit of AI in education? Discuss on how AI tool can interact to content. Illustrate AI potential to reduce. So can you please create a quiz? I am asking, please create a 10 questions quiz with multiple choice. See, for your subject, it won't take more than 10 minutes. So you can immediately, which AI tool? Yeah, online attendance is very simple actually. You can create very easily a lot of things. I will share you. Even without online attendance can be done even using Google Chart and all those things. There are applications that are available. You need to tool. See, now I have created, it is creating, please create 10 question quiz with multiple choice. So wherever you are spending time, some gentleman has asked, how do I create online attendance? See, all these things are the very simple ones. I will create that online immediately. So what I will do is, next session may, whatever the questions you are asking, you post those questions. I will create lesson plan according to your format only. I am telling you, it is not as per their format. It will create as per your requirement. You just post one example lesson plan. What I would suggest is, you are everybody is using chat Google Spaces. I think Mr. Narendra Masha already shared with you. What we will do is, in that you start posting questions. Whatever you want to do, AI create a lesson plan according to your format. You post your format. I will show you in the next session how to create even more format within few seconds. It won't take more than 2 3 seconds. It will create your lesson plan as per your requirement, not as per what it decides. I hope you got it. And you have any other questions? See, I will take you now. It is taking some time because of I told you this. Actually, it requires very good bandwidth. Actually, that is very important. Actually, bandwidth is very important, and also you can create a deep dive. You see, this is created now. The presentation it has created. Now you see, 10 question multiple choice questions have been created. What was the official founding definition of AI? First coin. You see all these things so easy. Are you able to see it? The questions within one stroke. That's exciting, no? That is very exciting. We can do wonderful things here. Suppose you want to generate a podcast about AI. Just generate. You go to this NotebookLM. You generate podcast. It will create podcast within few seconds. See, I will go and create for GTTC. Suppose GTTC is this. I have created one just load. Now I am creating one conversation, audio conversation with GTTC about GTTC. It takes just a few seconds. You see, are you able to listen? Yeah, I will just come back to you. No, sir. Okay. Are you getting it? Okay, I will share. If you're not in here, I will share the podcast. I will I'll post this in your this thing in the chart. You can and in your WhatsApp group also I will post it. You can have a look at it. See, you can generate any number of podcasts. For example, on your lesson plan, you want to create on your lesson. Suppose you have posted, suppose tool room design. You want to create a podcast. You can just create a podcast within few seconds and share it with your team. You can create assignments. You want to create an assignment, you can create. And you can't, suppose you want to see your tool room. You want to suppose you go to I will tell you that to all your tools. You want to gather all your tools. You want to check number of tools immediately. You take a photograph, load it into AI. It will give you immediately number of tools that are available. Okay, so there are enormous number of applications that is possible. Whatever you have asked, see, few questions have been asked. All these things also can be done, and I will share you in the next session on this. And in addition to that, I am going to say you what are the basic main this thing. One is Gemini, Chat GPT. Then we have got DeepSeek. I don't know how many people now we have worked on Gemini. I will share you one after the other some tools so that you understand easily what are the AI tools that are available. For example, you take to Chat GPT. Now I am going to Chat GPT. So I am sharing the screen of Chat GPT. You can see Chat GPT. You ask any question, you create. So now window, this is Chat GPT. Sorry, now this is wrong. So I will go to Chat GPT. Yeah, this is Chat GPT. What I can help? I will ask that. please provide visual representation of GTTC. I am just asking some stupid question. It may not be relevant, but you see what it does. Just now, please provide output graphics. I am asking simple question. You see what it does? Please provide visual representation of GTTC. Please provide graphics. See, it's working on that. See, sometimes when you ask some questions, it takes. You see, government tool room. What did you get here? Is it not exciting? See, it is. I just asked something. Government tool room. So what it has got? Something phenomenal. Don't you think it's great? So you ask, suppose some design, suppose tool design, some figure for tool design. Can you provide? I am asking you, please provide graphic representation of tool design in GTTC. Tool design course. See, I asked tool design course in GTTC. I am asking some stupid question. Huh? So that's great. Actually, you are saying that one beautiful observation. I asked something which is harmful to human beings. AI will not provide it. But I am saying you can ask these questions also in a twisted manner. It can provide. So that's see, while some ethics have been built in, some ethics you can see some ethics have been built in, but it is very dangerous. AI need to be used ethically. You have to understand that, because otherwise people don't know. See, I have created, just see how it looks. I have just asked simple question. Please provide. The sentence itself is wrong. Please provide. Please graphic representation of tool design course in GTTC. Okay. See how it has come. Can you imagine that how it looks? And also, for example, I will give you one more example. You attach any picture. Suppose you want to know any picture from any picture, you want to see something. So I will go to some pictures. You want to understand what is there in the picture. You want to compare what is there in the picture. You want to see full details. So you want to see what's happening. So for example, I am putting this picture. Please explain the visuals in the JPG. You can put your workshop pictures. You can put your workshop. It will give you everything about your workshop pictures, anything. See, it is giving two responses. Can you see this? Q responses, beautiful responses. You can keep whatever you want to do. See what it has provided. Can you see it is itself? It has gone into the pictures. It understood what is it. It has given this thing. So that is the greatness of this thing. What is? Suppose you want to about tool rooms. I will just take if some pictures of tools are available with me. I will just see some pictures. See, I am giving something technical is available. Can you explain me about this? I am giving something technical. Let us see, will it be able to explain? I don't know whether it is possible or not. Please explain. See, something technical photograph I have got. I have asked it to explain. Ajay, can you see the greatness of AI? Are you able to understand it? Can you see it is explained? I want to say, wow, I want to say great messages. Are you able to hear me? Because I am not getting any messages. So can you see that you just give some picture, it will start explaining. See, you can article, it is even able to go into technical. See how much knowledge it may be having, very little, but it is able to go into this thing. So you can explain, suppose your lathe machine, CNC machine, you can just take a picture of the CNC machine and post it over there. And if you are having some problem, it asks, you want to guide you properly. I am facing a problem, it is not working. You post the details there, it will start guiding you each and every this thing. Okay, this is about ChatGPT. See, ChatGPT has lot of tools also. For example, if you go into this, ChatGPT has got image. This is, you can create any image. Suppose you want to create an image, so you just write an image. So please create an image. So it is just image, it is creating on its own. I have not even, I am about to post, but I pressed by mistake, I just pressed enter. But if you ask any image to create, it will create on its own. Suppose if you want me to create GTTC Bangalore, see, this has created some visual, because what is happening is, since we are talking about GTTC, it has created an image of GTTC. Some work, some technical this thing, visual representation of an electrical training setup in GTTC. Can you imagine? So it is learning by itself. It is able to see the context. That's great, no? It is able to see the context, and it says that, boss, I have learned. You must be talking about an image, means it must be talking about. So can I say that, suppose if you want to learn something like plumbing, please provide an image of plumbing leak. Plumbing leak. I have just put an image of, please provide an image of plumbing leak. I just asked, see how it is going to work. So that means you can give as much complicated information, context if you give. I will teach you all these things, how to give a prompt properly, so that you get the required this thing. You see how it is the leakage. See, there are free and paid versions. There are free and fair versions. See, free versions work to some extent. I will share you. This is then I'll stop sharing here. I will go to free versions. I don't know how many people are using Microsoft Copilot. For example, Copilot. See, you go to Copilot. Copilot is available to everybody. See, I am sharing the Copilot here. You see, Copilot is available to free. It can be taken. We will discuss all these things in the next session. I will show you Copilot. This is Copilot available. Just download it free of cost. This is Copilot. Please tell me about GTTC courses. GTT course on AI and ML. I am asking specifically AI and ML. Please tell me about. So now it is, it's stuck, but I'm just going back again. Copilot. What I would do is I will share you the free tools that are available, what free can do. But some accounts have to be paid accounts. You people should take, if you really want to seriously learn about AI, and if you want to improve your productivity by 4 or 5 times. See, in future you don't need to take anybody's help. I am telling you, for sending a mail, just takes few seconds. I will show you one example of sending a mail. How you can send a mail with few seconds. I'm So this is not accepting in this thing. But what I will do is I will tell you how to one email I will create and tell you how to reply to the emails. See, now I have created one email actually to these people. You just see my internet, this thing, I am sharing my Gmail account. 1 second. Are you able to see my Gmail account? There is a lot of difference between free and paid version. Are you able to hear me? See, there are a lot of difference between paid and free versions. Paid versions are far, far superior. But are you not able to see the screen? I have shared a screen of my Gmail. Okay. See, there is in the screen, you see this. I have immediately in the morning, my Airtel broadband is not working. I have sent a mail. It just took me 2 seconds. Now, suppose if I want to just reply to all, once again, I am making a big reply. You see here, with I am using AI. Simply, I am using USL. See, please make a mail that I am extremely unhappy about Airtel broadband connection. See, I have just made one simple sentence. Extremely, please make a mail that I am extremely embarrassed. It is creating. Just see, it creates. It creates within 1 second. It just creates within 1 second. See, it created. I just inserts the message Airtel support scene. Can you see? With one line, I have created a mail. How much time it took? 1 second, 2 seconds. It won't take more than you just use keyword. The mail system will automatically send mail. For example, GTTC has to do a lot of correspondence with lot of people, lot of organizations. I will tell you how to do that. This time which you spent for 2 3 hours, which can be sent within just 5 minutes. See the mail, you have to gather the information, you have to talk about it, everything. There is nothing is visible. Nothing, so nothing, you need not worry about going past data, past mails, what past mails you have talked about, how you have responded to the industry partnership, industry partner. Now there is nothing. You just use some keywords. Yeah, I want to follow up, just want to follow up on this. Please give background and follow up to triple TI. It will immediately make a big reply. If you want some additions, some modification, you can always tell. Few things you can always tell. This is wonderful. Actually, I am telling you, the mail communication which I used to spend earlier for almost an hour for sending mails to 3 4 organizations and other thing. I am able to send it just within few seconds, few minutes. So that is all mails. See, I am telling you, all our correspondence you can do it within minutes, which you are spending 1 hour or 2 hours. You can do it within minutes. And all your lesson plan, teaching, guidance, then quizzes, then providing projects. You can create projects also. You can create projects which can be done within just an hour. Everything. You have to plan everything. You have to do the knowledge management. Create everything. You share all that. What I would suggest, Narendra Kumar ji, you create next time onwards, because this you discuss with your team. You create project where you want to learn. How do you ensure where you are spending maximum time? How do I ensure that less time on that? Then I will try and guide you how to reduce that time. I hope you understand. I hope everybody understands this. And this is about Gmails. Gmails, it is free. You can start using mailing, sending mails and everything. Lot of free tools are available where you need not worry about payments. But see, I would request Dinesh Kumarji also to take some few paid versions of AI so that it helps the organization also in a great way. Okay. So with this, should I close it for the time being? So I just wanted to give a brief introduction. But this YouTube is, unless you start top charts every time you start, writing it, no, I won't understand that whether you people are able to listen to it, are you hearing it, are you able to see it, because this is very unidirectional. So next time I will try and improve it. What I will do is I will create two screen. I will use my laptop also along with this, so that I am able to see what's happening, so we can make it more effective. So please start thinking from the using artificial intelligence as a tool. Think that there is an expert available who is equivalent to more than 1 lakh people. That means 1 lakh experts are at your hand at any point of time to help you to do your job. So your job is only to write a good prompt. Good prompt is nothing but asking the right question. You have to ask the right question with proper context, with proper clarity. There has to be clarity. See, the unless you ask, even students sometimes if they don't ask proper questions, they don't get proper response. So you are like a student. You have to ask the right question with clarity, with conciseness, and with details. Suppose if you want similar formats have to be given, you have to attach that format. Say that I want similar to this format. Okay. So what I don't mind, I can arrange Google Meet. Google Meet I am more comfortable. And YouTube, because your team wanted YouTube, I have to learn about utilizing YouTube. So I am using YouTube because maybe after 2 3 times YouTube, I think YouTube may be more, but Google Teams also I am sure. Okay. So I think with this, Dinesh Kumar ji and Narendra ji, can I close down the session for the timing? Hope it is useful. I would like to hear your feedbacks. Is it useful? How you want to be more effective? So initial glitches, I'm sorry for the initial glitches. Okay, that is the speed was too low. It is not in my hands. Okay, so next when I'm in the whole week, if you want any sessions on any day, I can take. Whether it is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday morning, 10 to 11, I can take it. Okay. Yeah, you can get recording classes. We can create that. That is the reason we can create the recording. Okay. Okay, thank you. With the permission of all of you, I would like to now go out of the screen. Okay, thank you very much. I'm closing the session now. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day, everybody. Wonderful joining in the session. It's been great to see you all. There is a great response. Okay, start posting the questions. I have actually given a question, and there is a live chat. There is a question and answers also. I hope you people are aware that there is a question and answer session also in this. Okay, thank you. Bye.